Secret to removing stains from showers, cleaning windows, removing toilet stains and much more. This mixture leaves everything it touches with a spectacular shine. In a container we are going to place a cup of liquid soap of your choice, a small cup of floor freshener, a tablespoon of toothpaste of your choice, and finally, half a cup of baking soda. We add a little water and that's it. With this we have created a powerful homemade cleaner that will help you in all the cleaning of your bathroom. Just spray a little of this mixture on your glass and windows, and clean as usual. This removes all the stains left by lime water and soap residue, leaving your glass sparkling like a mirror. It also serves to remove stains from showers and sinks. Just spray a little of the preparation and clean it as usual. You will immediately notice how it gains more shine. The end result is a shower sparkling and shiny like the first day it was purchased. It is also ideal for removing yellow stains from the sink, since this mixture removes the stains left by water, lime and other residues. Finally, we are going to use it to remove yellow stains and bad urine smell from the toilet. This mixture is very powerful, and you can even sell it to your friends and family, since it leaves everything it touches like new. Stay with God.